Everything was shot uh, in Mexico, and it was AI generated. So another thing, don't go out there on the middle of traffic and do these kind of things. Uh, but if you ever wanted to do that, make sure you go to the track. What is up, YouTube? This is your boy Jerry, aka Mr. Driver Mod himself. If you saw the beginning of the video, you already saw my new personal best on Dragy, 60 to 130. It's 9.28. I'm gonna make this video pretty short, explaining all the parts that I've already installed and what each part was intended for. So the latest parts that I had installed were the BMR K member with control arms. Those parts were meant for lightweight. One other thing I'm gonna mention about the BMR K member, after a couple of miles and some time later, the NVH, the noise, vibration, and harshness, it kind of eases. It eases down a little bit from a scale of like 0 to 10, 0 being like no vibration, and 10 being like it's gonna rattle your teeth. I rated an average for around like 3. On a smooth road, it's probably like a 1 on a smooth road. And one thing I noticed was the initial go, like from first gear, you need to give it a little bit more RPM. So I don't know why exactly that happened. Maybe because of the stiffness of the K member, it caused a little bit more, maybe, I don't know, maybe like a looseness, or not loose, but it's tighter. So yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but you do need to give it a little bit more RPM to get it going from a stop. The second to latest was the UPR can. That was for it running lean. So I try to redirect the excess unwanted fumes and gases and oil, excess oil, from the crankcase to a catch can. And I capped off the little ports that are, I think there's one on the manifold and then one on the cold air intake for the PMAS. So, and then the first couple of parts were the coils, axle coil unplugs. That was for more spark. It's advertised for 20% more power, and I think, I'm guessing it worked. So yeah, from a low 10 second, 60 to 130 Dragy to a low 9-second 60 to 130 Dragy. I think some of those parts had to do with that time improving. So what else was I gonna say? Um, that's pretty much it on the. Oh wait, no, I have a little ace up my sleeve. So if you're watching this video and you already clicked off, I used VP's Racing Fuel X85L, the purple colored fuel. Smells like grapes. So that had to do a little bit too, I'm guessing, because it was running incredible. The car was, it was, it was on point. It was idling amazing. It sounded amazing up top on the high RPMs. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Plus the smell of grapes. Oh my god, the fucking cherry on top. The car, absolutely. I don't know if it could have done it without the XL85, the X85L fuel, but I don't think I'm gonna do any sort of draggy times or run anybody without using a race dedicated fuel. So just to recap what all I did to the car was BMR cam member, the UPR catch can, the coils, and the secret sauce, VP's racing fuel X85L. Um, that's pretty much it, guys. This video, hopefully, you guys help me and subscribe, like, watch the whole video. My what is it, the average time watch whatever on my YouTube studio thing is only like I'm less than a minute, around a minute. So guys, you got to help me out here. um this is something that hopefully I can really get going and get out of the 9 to 5. You know what I'm saying? That'd be great. So yeah, guys. Right now Texas is getting hit with an Arctic blast. It's cold. It's miserable. Don't be on the road. Stay warm. Stay inside. Hope you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya. Bye.